I'm Anita, Anita Stopper, and if you need to stop water from penetrating any wood products in your home, my friend Jeff here has the solution. In this video, he will show you how he protects the wood he uses for his flood barriers. You can use the same process and product on any wood in your home that you are trying to keep from absorbing water.
What I like to do with the boards before I get them ready to go in the channels is first prime them, and I use bin primer. Over the years of using this primer, I have found it to be an extremely good primer, so I use it to block the knots. The first thing I'm going to do is put 2 coats on each knot, and then I will come back and put 2 coats of primer on the entire board. All you have to do is cover each knot. It's quick and easy. Make sure you get it really good. We don't want the boards absorbing any water if there is a flood. That's the whole reason for priming and then putting a good latex paint on these boards. Make sure you fill in the entire knot. Look on the side of the board for knots as well. And you can see I just primed this a minute ago. It's almost dry. What I have found is you just keep any absorption of water out of these boards to a bare minimum. And you're more concerned with the edge than you are with this, because that's where your neoprene's gonna go. That's all there is to it. I just knotted over 2 boards, come back, put a second coat on just to make sure, and then I will come back and put 2 coats on each board the entire length. What I have here are 2 finished boards. These ends are very important to make sure that I got 2 coats of primer on here and 2 finish coats. You don't want this wood absorbing any water whatsoever because it'll warp. Remember, I put 2 coats on the knots of primer. I put 2 primer coats on the entire boards and then 2 finish coats on each board. So these 2 boards are ready to go.
Thanks, Jeff, for that awesome demo. Remember, you can use this technique for any wood product that will be exposed to water. To see how Jeff uses these boards in his barrier, watch our video on barrier assembly. When you are flood prepping, remember to caulk it, plug it, seal it up tight. Keep the water out all day and night. For more tips on preparing for a flood and to stay up to date on Jeff's latest tricks, like and subscribe to the Flood Prepper channel.